Hello friends, for today's card, the card base will be made in a similar way that we have recently done in one of our greeting cards. So first I'm taking a A6 size sheet of cardstock. I'm taking a white cardstock. This is of 300 GSM in thickness. And then I'm taking a A4 size acetate or the OHP sheet, which is available commonly in my place, and then I will be cutting it into half. You can also use the white sheet as reference to get its height, and then cut the sheet of acetate using a roller and paper cutter. The one I am using is 100 microns in thickness, but you can also get acetate of even much more thickness that is usually used for crafting purpose. Now I grab my scoring tool and then I try to score them using the bone folder near the sides of the sheet so that the OHP sheet can actually hold the cardstock from both the sides. Working with a scoring board makes the work much faster and it looks more professional, but still you can use your hands to make the fold. And then I crease them from both the sides to make it even more firm. You can slide in the sheet of cardstock into this acetate to make the card base. Now I remove off the acetate and then I'm going to work over it. For today I'm going to use glass colors. You can have a glass liner in it. This is black in color. You can also get other colors like silver and gold. And then you have the glass paints. It is available in many different colors and my kit has about 6 colors. I just chose a drawing which I made which is related to Christmas, and now I'm going to use this glass liner to draw over it. You can also use 3D outliner or something like the Nuvo crystal drops, which also work the same way, but in case of the crystal drops, the nozzle that come in is not much thinner like the one which I have. So it is better to have a thin nozzle and then you can work on this. Just make the outline and then you will be ready to fill in the colors when this get dry. According to the package, it says that it would take about 1 whole day for this black liner to dry, and then later on when it is completely dry you can add in the glass colors. But when working on this, I didn't wait till it dried completely. I was a bit lazy to wait, so I just started to color. So in some parts you can see that the paints messed up. For the card sentiment, I just write my message or the sentiment freehandedly. You can also instead use some stickers or some printout to make this part. This next card is also made in similar way, but I have used silver glass liner. But this silver glass liner look more like a pearl white color. In this I have left it to dry completely for a day, and then the next day I am using glass paints to fill inside the image. For both these cards I have used the same image and the same colors, but only the outliner is different. One is in black and the other one is in silver. But because of this, there is a very big difference in the finished product. Hope you liked both these cards. I will be happy to know if you have given this a try, and you could also tag me when you post your cards to your social media. Thanks for watching.